Hello guys, we're back at the gym. So last week, about 5-6 days ago, we did a basic home run routine chin up. But today we're gonna do a different kind of chin up routine. We do sideways, so a little bit hard. Okay. Okay, one more set is done. Make sure if you do that routine, side grip, chin ups, make sure you have strong enough to grip that grip. And about 4 days ago, I mentioned why not to go gym if you do eat heavy meals, because it's better to be safe than sorry. It might be ruptured your appendix. It's kind of painful and it costly. Sometimes it costs your life. Okay, one more set guys. That's done. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out.